Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got the mic adapter for the Insta360 X3. So I'm going to show you guys how that works. I've already kind of opened it up a little bit just to look at it, but it comes with the little instructions. It's pretty straightforward. You basically just take off the little tab over the USB port and stick this in its place. So let's give that a try here. So if we open this up, so if you see the way that little port opens there, it just opens that way. But then what you can do when it opens, you can pull it straight out because you see it's got that little bar there, and it's just kind of connected up with the little clips onto that bar. And then we have the little adapter, which is super well protected in there. Okay. And you can see the adapter has the little side with the clips with it on there. So it'll just go in the USB-C side, and that's it. Now I'm connected in, and now I can connect up my 3.5mm plug and do an external microphone. So if I have anything here, I don't really have much right now. I don't have one with me, but I'll show you just to plug in some headphones. Not going to do any good, but there, that's what it would look like. So you plug in your microphone, and you can use that. So if you have a wireless lavalier mic, actually like this one right here, I'll be able to use for this. So that's pretty cool. So that's how this is going to work. So it'll just connect up in there, and then I'll be able to record my voice away from the camera. So if the camera's up on my head or far away or something like that, or in the wind, don't have to worry about that because I have the thing right there. So very cool. So thumbs up from me on the little adapter, and links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.